So, good morning, guys. Today is 8th May 2026, and now we are going to Chennai solo by car. So, be a part of the journey. So, we have started for Chennai, and the time is around 5:12, 5:15, close by. क्योंकि मेरा गाड़ी 2 मिनट पीछे है, I don't know why. So now we are crossed Kyarpuram market, and again now first हमको मिलेगा Hoskote का toll. After Hoskote toll, I think we are going to get next toll in Mulbagal. So चलो मिलते हैं रोड पे. We have crossed all like Kolar, Mulbagal, almost all Karnataka border, and now we have entered into Andhra border. That is towards Chittoor and Tirupati. As you can see, the yellow lane road. It's quite differentiated by Karnataka road and Andhra road. You can see the yellow line. So these yellow line differs like you are into Andhra Pradesh. Quite good road, but it is a concrete road, and you know that concrete roads are not like smooth and all like tar road. But yeah, road is good, no issues. It has a rise full of power. I can't see on the road that much. It's getting flash. Now Tirupati is 128, Chittoor 63. So we'll stick to this road. We won't take left. If we take left, we'll go to Tirupati. If we go straight, then we'll get the Ranipet. Ranipet will take you to directly Chennai.
A few moments later.
How much, Anna?
No, it is 1 year online, Parivahan 200.
6 months?
6 months ఆన్లైన్ వచ్చేదే.
हाँ.
ఇప్పుడు BS3 గాని ఉంటే అది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా 6 months వస్తుంది.
ఓకే.
దాన్ని ఫర్దర్ గా ఉండే 1 year వస్తుంది.
సరే అన్న.
6 months ఆప్షన్ ఉంది.
6 months ఆప్షన్ లేదు.
లేదు.
ఓకే అన్న.
అదే మీకు 6 months వచ్చే వెహికల్ 1 year ఆప్షన్ రాదు.
సరేనా.
వెహికల్ నెంబర్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తే అది ఎన్ని రోజులు అదే ఆటోమేటిక్.
So pollution done. Now back to work. So he took me around 200 rupees for pollution. Much needed. Because in Tamil Nadu, for small petty issue, they'll catch you. First of all, they see the registration number. Okay, the vehicle is from out station. Definitely they'll grab you, and they'll try to evaluate money. I don't know now. There is no government now. All are fighting, DMK, TVK, AIDMK. So I'm going Chennai to solve the issue. Kidding. So just now across Mahasamudram toll plaza, and we'll take some tea break somewhere near close by only. चलो मिलते हैं. So almost 179 kilometer non-stop, and now taking stop at near Ranipet border, Andhra Tamil Nadu border. So चलो breakfast करते हैं. So breakfast over. Now again starting for Chennai. So this, like in my last vlog I have showed, like this will be a shortcut road for Chennai, because just behind that they have constructed a new road. I think that is an expressway, but I'm not using that one. This will be a cheaper, faster and more convenient. So this place, Nagmangalam, Ranipet, Vellore. So actually this is the shortcut road. Before taking this road, you will get a slightly right side, which connect again Chennai road. But I suggest don't take that road. Better you go for this road. So as I mentioned, there is a railway cross and overbridge work is going on. So but yeah, you filter through easily. Not much hesitation and all. But yeah, you have to go carefully because flyover work is going on, and we can't say like no, one pillar can fill on us. As we see in multiple metro cities, the flyover work or metro work, straight away pillars are falling on human being. So I was talking about this particularly place where you can see the passage is very small. Lorries and all not allowed to go, but yeah, small vehicle can go easily, and our vehicle has passed. Oh, now crossing Ponnai river, Ranipet. Most of the time this river will be dry only. Only rainy season might be chances like no water will come or not. But remaining days it will be dry only. So from here we take left, then again this road will connect to the main road. The problem is this road is single and number of vehicles are more. So be careful if you're traveling from this road, because there is a lot of industrial area are there, and as well as BEL, Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, they also put on here their plant. So yeah, there will be multiple people are on the road. If you compare, two-wheelers are more and road is single, and road work is going on everywhere. You can see work in progress, go slow. Yeah, this is there. Okay, lorry passing. So this is the story, and I think we have to go further 140 kilometer, 150 kilometer from here. Then we'll reach Chennai. चलो मिलते हैं रोड पे ही. So we have taken the road of Chennai, which is actually Hosur Road, which connects Kanchipuram. So after Ranipet, we took this road and heading towards Chennai. So meanwhile, we got up early, around 5 o'clock. So feeling like sleepy, so having Red Bull. I don't like it. It's a yellow one, but tastes like guava. Peru. Bit hot. I hope we'll reach on time. The estimated time will be around 11:50. We'll try to get over by 12 p.m. somewhere around. So basically in Tamil Nadu, as you know, people in Karnataka like Congress, BJP or JDS, no single party getting higher majority, and always we see hung government. For Karnataka people it is common, but I feel in Tamil Nadu it happened first time, where TVK got number of votes compared to other, but they unable to form the government. And the other side, AIDMK, DMK, they got somewhere around 25%, 25 or 30% remaining balance. So entered Chennai city. It's a Tamaram state area called as a Pilapakam, and I think more 30 kilometers to go. So more 30 kilometers kilometers to go, then we'll reach home. और उसके आगे का फर्दर अपडेट. रोड क्या ही दिखाऊँ आपको, रोड देख के क्या करोगे, रोड सब जगह है. बट वन थिंग आई नोटिस, देर इज नो सिंगल पुलिस पर्सन ऑन द रोड. रोड इज completely empty and not even single person I see that managing traffic, because there is no traffic. What they'll manage? So now crossing airport, Chennai airport, near Trishulam railway station, Tamram, and hardly some 22 kilometers I have to go. Then I'll be reaching destination, place called Saidapet. If you people doesn't know about Saidapet, just Google it. It is famous for only two things. One is for mosquito, and another thing for the rowdyism. Once upon a time was there, but now everything is normalized now. But place is good, very good, happening place. But roads are not good, so bumpy. So reached home, exactly 325 kilometers. What I expected was 322, but 2-3 kilometers up and there is fine. So entered in the house, and we clocked somewhere around 325, as I mentioned. I showed you in the clock. And that's all for today. We'll see you in the next video, and till then, bye bye.